In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Fitbit app. We're going to do this right inside Google Chrome using a built-in option that turns the Fitbit website into a clean, app-like window on your computer. This is a great way to keep Fitbit separate from your browser tabs and make it easier to access, all without installing any extra software. First, open Google Chrome. If you use multiple browsers, make sure you're actually in Chrome, since this feature is specific to it. You don't need to tweak any settings ahead of time, just have Chrome open and ready. Next, go to the official Fitbit website. The fastest way is to type the site's address into the address bar at the top and press enter. Once the page loads, give it a moment to finish and make sure you're really on the Fitbit homepage or a main Fitbit page. You should see the site's familiar branding, and you'll notice the page looks and behaves like a modern web app. Now look to the very top right corner of Chrome for the three-dot menu. This is the Customize and Control menu. Click it to open a drop-down list of options. You'll see a lot of common tools here, but we want the section that groups ways to share or save the page. Hover your mouse over Cast, Save, and Share. Don't click yet. Just glide your cursor over that entry. Hovering will expand a side menu with more choices related to saving or sharing the site. And this is where Chrome exposes the option to install supported sites as apps. From that expanded menu, click Install as App. This tells Chrome you want the Fitbit website to run in its own window without the usual browser interface. It's the same content you see in the browser, but wrapped like an app for quicker access and a tidier experience. A small confirmation box will appear. Click Install. Chrome will do the rest automatically. In a moment, the Fitbit app window will open on its own, separate from your browser tabs. Behind the scenes, Chrome also creates a shortcut so you can launch it later just like any other app. The exact placement of that shortcut can vary by operating system, but the idea is the same. It's now an app-like experience you can open directly. That's it. You've used Google Chrome to install the Fitbit website as an app, giving you a focused window with fewer distractions and faster access. If the install option didn't appear, it may simply mean the page you were on wasn't eligible or your Chrome version labels the option slightly differently, but the process remains the same once you find Install as App.